Buying a car is a big decision. It may feel intimidating or confusing. Let's take a look at some resources and steps to help guide you through the process of buying a car. Simple interest. Simple interest means that you pay interest on the amount of money that you owe for the amount of time that you owe it. When you make a car payment, normally the interest is calculated by the numbers of days since your previous payment, the amount of principal you owe, and the rate shown on the contract. Then it's taken from the payment by the finance company. First, any other fees or charges such as late fees are taken from payment. The rest of the payment applies to your principal and reduces the amount that you owe. So the best way to save money is to pay on time or early, lower your principal as fast as possible, so less and less of each payment will be taken as interest.